Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make almond milk fresh, quick, and easy, preservative free, and healthy for the whole family, especially when it's made at home. Now let's begin. So you're going to get 1 cup of almond, and then 2 cups of water, or you want to pour as much water so that the almonds are all saturated with the water. You want to soak the almond for a minimum of 8 hours or even a couple days. If you're going to soak it for a couple days, especially in a warm climate, you want to put it inside the fridge. And after putting inside the fridge for 8 hours or a couple days, you want to strain off the water that the almond was soaked in. And you want to wash the almond, and you want to put the almond inside your blender. Now if you choose, you can choose to use distilled water or perhaps bottled water. That's fine as well. So you put it in the almonds in the blender. I added dates to my almond because I liked a little sweetness to my almond. Sometimes I put like 4 dates. For you, you can choose your preference, how much. And I also put some vanilla extract inside it. And I also put a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. And I want to blend it from 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to need a cheesecloth to strain the almond, to strain the pulp of the almond. So you can get a spatula or a spoon just to sift the almond milk through the cheesecloth. Just move it around. Now after that, you want to get the cheesecloth and squeeze it together to get all the excessive milk outside of the cheesecloth. And there you have it. You have your almond milk. So let me know what you think. Which milk, what do you like about almond milk? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos that we have in store. Until next time, take care.